what's up guys? It's Chelsea Galaxy. I'm back here for another Roblox video. And today we are playing Flood Escape. And for those of you who don't know what Flood Escape is on Roblox, it's a game where you go into this little place and then you wait for a map to start up. And then you have, once you go into the map, you have to do parkour, you have to jump, you have to click these little buttons, like you have to jump on them. And it's pretty cool. And I honestly love it. And I think you guys will after you watch this video. So we're just waiting for this to pass, so let's spectate some. Alright, random person, this one. Okay. Anyone else that hasn't escaped yet? No. Okay, so everyone survived on that one. Oh right, I really don't like this map. It's not easy for me. I usually die on that jump. Alright. You gotta be really careful on this one. It's like really extremely hard for me. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that, okay? I'm gonna wait right here for this light to go green. So then I'm gonna go. Wait. Oh, yes. Uh-oh. 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 Okay. No. Okay. That's why I don't really like that map. Like, it's so hard. Alright. Spectating a random person. The person just went down. Now this is the last person. Alright. She is very good. She seems very good because I don't think I'd be able to do it. I mean, even though I used to be level 15 on my old account, she was like really good, but she went down. He's going back here with the rest of us. Time for the new map to start. Alright, this one, infiltration, is pretty easy. So I'm not going to worry about this one. Alright. I'm pretty good at some of these, but some of these I'm not as good at. But, you know, I'm good at some. And that's good that I got some. Okay. We're up. Just trying to fix something. Okay. That took everyone so long that the water is starting to fill up. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. It's sometimes not easy when like when the water starts, but you know, it's so fine. Did I try something? Okay, never mind. I don't need to try it. I think there's a little lag there. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Well, there are 3 stages. There's normal water, there's the green nuclear water, and then there's the red water, which like makes you die instantly. But then you respawn back with everyone else who's died instantly, or died at some point, so it's fine. Just respawn and wait for the next map, which is great. I I don't like this map. I've already, I really don't like this one. Like, it's another one I hate. Hurry up, I don't want to get near any foes. Ghosts, cause the ghosts are very scary. Oh gosh. Someone do that parkour. I'm not doing it, okay? Thank you. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared right now. Okay. Oh my gosh, I might start sweating. I'm under so much pressure on this map. I really don't like it. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Don't. No! Alright guys. Got a bit scared. Kinda just yeah, fell there. Sorry. That was funny. I enjoyed that. I was scared and I also enjoyed it, so that was kind of weird. But I haven't done this one before. What? What is this madness? What? What was that? I don't know what that was. That's extremely crazy. I don't know what that was. Not enough for even the first tank. Buddies, no. And yours, no. Don't have enough coins. By the way, little pool that's for you to practice swimming in this game. Like practice all your controls. So yeah, if you're confused, that's what it is. Pretty sure. Yeah, pretty sure. Yep. So to go down on computer, left shift to get to the surface, space bar. Oh, this one is easy. I only rarely die on this one. Only rarely. I like this one actually. It's like a fun map. I really do like it. Ooh, that was a weird sound for me. Sorry. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. We're almost at the end. This is a very short one, guys. See? Yay! So when it says survive down there, it means that you survive, and you can make a glitch where like you take like you can't dive because you got the survive thing. And then you can like have a swim around, get to know the map a little more while you wait for other people to finish. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a little swim around. You can look at all these cool areas. Even though everything's green. I mean, like, you can still see me. Oh, this is another one of my favorites. It's not too easy. But it's like, it's not hard either. So, yeah, it's pretty good. Rated 10 out of 10. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, thank. You finally press that button. I've never seen anyone take that long. But it doesn't matter because, you know, it's the effort that counts. I don't like tight ropes. I really don't like tight ropes. Alrighty. Keep on going, just keep on going. Win. I think the other girl got that before me, but you know, we're gonna get inside, side, side. Oh, I just leveled up! Woo! Level 2 now. Proud of myself. Yeah. I'm proud of myself. The beeping was Oh, my head's stuck. Oh, I didn't notice that. My head was stuck. Okay, this one I sometimes don't survive, but that's okay. Because this one I think is rated like hard. It might be normal and I can understand that, but it might be hard. I'm not sure. It's kind of like all normal, gets ranked. Easy, hard, easy, normal, hard, and insane on this one. There's not any super easy or impossible. It's just other things, because they're different games. And Floodescape is a lot more popular than Hole in the Wall, which is kind of sad because I love Hole in the Wall. It's such a good game. Like, it's really good. I'm so hungry right now. But I'm gonna wait until this video is ended. Oh god, no. No. I say no, you say I'm okay with this, but I still say no. I made it! Guys, I've actually made it. I'm pretty sure this is ranked insane. It's harder insane, definitely not normal. If it's normal, my mind would be blown. Because I usually fall into the red stuff, and then the red stuff is instant. So help! Oh no! That's what we can do that. Why are the arrows there? What? Yes, I knew there was something there. But I'm kind of afraid to go through there. Just afraid. That was a close one, guys. That was a close one. Never gotten this far in the game, so you can't blame me for that. Oh god. Yeah, and my game's been a bit like laggy, so yeah, it's gonna be hard for me to do things. I wonder why nobody pressed that. It was like, why would nobody press that? That was really weird. Whee! Oh my gosh, I have made it, guys. I made it! Ooh! Woo! And the lava also is instant, but I just got to survive, so I'm invincible! Like, I don't like this magma. It's kinda, scary, I guess. It's scary. Ew. Video. Someone else go do that. I'm too scared. There's lava there, and I don't intend on touching it. Oh, you were too late. See, it was marked insane. Yeah, I knew it. Familiar ruins. I missed out on familiar ruins. I guess I'll just spectate someone. So this is actually called Flood Escape 2. The original one is kind of like this. That's why this is called Familiar Ruins. So yeah, I like both of them. They're both pretty good. I don't know what this girl has done to her face, but you know, I'm not your judge. I'm just gonna get a new person to watch because it's kind of freaking me out. See, so like that was the middle area, kind of, but it's like ruins, so it's not the proper thing. There'll be like an easy, medium, hard. Yeah, you know what? Maybe in the next video, I think I'll do Flood Escape, and you can see what it's like. Then I'll do one more, because I have another game I want to show you guys. But I might not do Flood Escape. It might be in a later video, because I think I won't do too many videos in one day. Wow. 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 Yeah, I don't know what happened to those people. Slow clap is what I give them. I don't like this one. I usually do not live this one. I'm gonna do the glitch. So I found out this glitch once, where you turn your screen this way, you can kind of see through. Whew. Oh gosh, I am so nervous, because I don't want anything bad to happen to me. Because that would be bad, because it would be a bad something to happen, and I really don't want to have a death, because that would be a bad thing to happen to me. I'm not recovering. Oh no! Gonna keep on going. Actually, well guys, I think we should stop here. I'm not sure how long this video is going for, but I'm pretty sure we should stop here. I'm gonna be doing a tycoon in the next video straight after this, and I think you guys are gonna enjoy it if you guys are superhero fans, but I'm not gonna spoil it. So, bye guys. Galaxy Girl